debut for you tonight. A win and a goal, a brilliant goal. Tell us how you feel about being able to have a debut in front of your Arnett Garden crowd.
You know, it's a happy feeling. Good to be back in the JPL. So, you know, yeah, it's a happy feeling. First win, first game. So, yeah.
What were you thinking about coming into this game tonight, knowing that you're playing in front of a very expectant crowd? They've come to know and love you so much. This is your hometown, and you know that the expectation would be high. What were your feelings like when it came out to the crowd here tonight?
No, it was a little hard feeling, but you know I can overcome anything. So, you know, that's what I put my mind to, say that I have to score today and show them what I can give.
Despite any goals in the first half, you had a pretty good first half, some good touches. Were there any nerves coming into the first half?
No, not any nerves. You know, just a misunderstanding, missing the first round. So, you know, I capitalize on the next one that I get.
Yeah, and a brilliant goal. Walk us through that goal.
You know, it's an instinct. Once the ball comes to me, I'm going to go inside and shoot.
And when you saw it hit the back of the net and you heard the crowd roar, what did that feel like?
It feel like the jungle, yeah, the lion are roaring.
and three wins from 3 games for Arnett Gardens to start the second round. Obviously, you're hot on the heels of everybody in front of you. How do you feel about this chase that you're chasing, the top 2?
No, it's a good feeling, but you know we have work to do. We still have room for improvement. So yeah, we're going to hit the training ground tomorrow again and work on it.
Congratulations on a good performance tonight, and we're looking forward to a lot more from you.
Thank you very much.